Life can change in the blink of an eye, especially on the road. Today we're diving into the dramatic world of car crashes, how they happen, why they happen, and what we can learn to stay safe.
Oh my god!
Let's go! I don't know what prompted his action of changing lanes so quickly. And now he's really in big trouble. In the blink of an eye, you lost a large amount of money. It looks like the truck was merging into the left lane without checking if it was clear. The truck saw the car in the left lane and tried to get back into their lane, but lost control of the truck.
Yo, what the? Yo, nah, y'all niggas wildin'.
I mentioned
Whether it's bad luck or bad choices, you'll pay a heavy price.
that they hide.
Oh my god! 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 Oh my god!
Timing is everything. These are the luckiest people I've ever seen.
Hang out with him some more. They live with him. When he's like crunched up. Anybody behind us?
The blue car lost control entering the highway, colliding with a silver car which hit a truck and guardrail before spinning, prompting a 9-1 call and a reminder to stay alert. Oh, luckily it was just pieces of wood that fell down. If it were you, how would you handle this situation? This is why winter tires and slower speeds are so important. How fast someone can ruin so many people's lives. Pay attention. Everywhere I drive around town, I look at the cross traffic. No, we'll definitely always check here. An idiot driver doing donuts in the middle of the road damn near hit their head on.
Oh my god!
Tonight, as they almost got hit and a police chase here in Barry County, Missouri between Cassville and Roaring River State Park. If he wouldn't have came to a complete stop, the Chevy truck would have hit their head on. The good Lord was with us tonight. The driver of the blue car changed lanes at the last minute and clipped a car in the lane next to it. then rode up on the side of a car, stopped in the right lane, and flipped over. No one got injured. Persist that card almost sideswiping you. Control this shows you driving aggressively and almost rear-ending that car after the cutoff.
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
Yes, good on you for keeping your distance for your own safety. Rear-ending someone is expensive, but at least your car got an $18,000 facelift.
Oh my god!
This driver must be speeding at 200 km/h, passed in the shoulder, sideswiped his car, and left the accident scene. And his license is either suspended or pending suspension for failing to pay for his tickets. Possible distracted or drunk driver. Innocent karma pulled over after the truck driver blew my horn.
That's a cop. Dude! Okay, Garvin, save video.
If you're not careful, you can overpay thousands of dollars. Most
Passenger rear tire of a Ford Escape had a blowout, which led to this incident. No injuries and no other vehicles were involved. Magetta was an idiot in-car thing to do. I just don't see what he had to gain by accelerating and nearly forcing a collision. Grasping the link between speed and stopping distance is vital for drivers to reduce car crashes. A black sedan changed lanes abruptly, angering a red car behind. The road rage ended with a black sedan crashing into a roadside railing. Don't worry, they are fine because there is help from people around them. A driver slowly loses control of his truck before flipping it.
Whoa, that guy just hit. Woo!
though that place is not your destination, I hope you'll be safe. A road rage incident occurred when a sedan driver blocked a bus, accusing the bus driver of taking the wrong route and nearly causing a collision. This is learning a hard lesson about merging properly. It's best to increase your vigilance and pay more attention.
Oh my!
Well, the goods are packed now, just need to be shipped.
Ёб твою мать!
Bă, tu ești normală la cap. Stai că te iau la poliție. Stai. Să mă dau de proastă.
It's best to keep a cool head to handle the situation well. Wow, I didn't expect this red car stance. Here we have a Karen who thinks she has the power to stop traffic. When she rages too close to the dash camera, he leaves. Thank you for watching Big Crash Channel's videos. If you enjoyed our journey of discovery, don't miss out on what's next. Subscribe, like, and share our videos. See you soon.